smoke?
Of course.
Okay,
Wait.
what's your favorite strain?
Cigarettes, weed, vape, anything.
You guys smoke.
I smoke in general.
Okay, what's your first strain?
Favorite strain?
Yeah.
So we are talking about weed.
Oh my gosh, yes.
What are we talking about here? Alright, I mean, I'm down for whatever.
You want to get interviewed?
And then,
Sorry, it's not a good interview question.
Do you like smoking or edibles?
Smoking for sure.
Yeah, okay. And then, what do you smoke with, like glass pieces? You like to roll?
Like a bong. Well, actually, depends. But I'm gonna say a blunt. If I could smoke a blunt every time I smoke with no negative benefits, then yeah, blunt.
Okay. And then, have you guys ever tried Delta 8?
Yeah, it's bullshit. It's
Bullshit.
cool. It's fake weed. Just get the real shit, bro.
I like the real deal.
How long have y'all been shopping with us?
Today,
It's our second time here. Well,
This is the second time and today?
I went to a car show like fucking
That's the same one.
3 months ago. Was it 3 months ago or whatever?
Probably like a month ago.
No way.
But yeah, this one gets
Yeah, we've been here twice.
There's a big expo that we've never seen before. Alright.
Alright, then thank you guys.